Hi, this is Lynn McCool. I want to give you a brief overview of week 9. It's a rather busy week and you have quite a few different activities, both individual and team activities that you'll be doing this week. First, let's talk about course content this week. You have Chapter 3 of the Finkelstein text. That chapter talks about technical definitions, and we are reading ahead in that chapter to get ready for Assignment 6, which will be coming up later on in the course. I also would like for you to read the Assignment 6 technical description assignment and just be a little bit familiar with that. It'll be helpful to you as you participate with the proposal ranking process to know what kind of proposal would make a good technical description. So you do want to have that in mind. Please listen or watch the technical definition lecture notes. Those will be important to one of the other activities that you'll be doing during this week. This week you have your Assignment 5, the feasibility report, which is due. I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a minute. You have your Learn Smart activities, as always, this week. You have two different discussion boards, but those discussion boards are different in the sense that the first one is a team discussion board. In other words, just the project managers will be posting to that discussion board, and on that discussion board you'll actually list your team ranking of the different proposals, and I'm asking that you list the top 10. So out of all the different proposals from the class, list the top 10 there. And there are some instructions on that discussion board that tell you exactly what I want you to do with that. And then the other discussion board is an individual one in which I give you an opportunity to practice creating a technical definition, and this will be good practice for you. It's important. It's skill building, getting you ready for writing that technical description a little bit later in the course. Well, as you know, this week you are doing some usability testing of each other's airplane instructions, and so inside of the week 9 folder here I have a set of instructions that tell you how to upload your airplane instructions to the SciBox link, and make sure that you put your team name, so save your instructions to your team name _A4 instructions and upload that to the SciBox. I've provided the links here. Remember, you have to log into SciBox first before clicking on the actual folder link here in order to be able to get into it. And you should then assess or try out, go through the usability testing process with the team that has been assigned to you. So you can see down here in this chart that I've created what I call my testers and then the instructions. So for example, the testers here are Mello Consulting, and Mello Consulting will be testing the instructions that were written by Literate Cyclones. So testers are here, and then they will be testing the instructions of the team listed below. Okay, so pretty simple there. Again, lecture screencast this week is on technical descriptions. Here's the discussion board about proposal rankings, and so you can read through that, the description there, and the directions on what you're supposed to do. And then finally, this week 9 discussion board in which you're going to be writing a technical definition for a dart, as in the projectile that you throw for the game of darts. So that's a brief overview of week 9. If you have questions, please contact me. Again, there are quite a few different activities that you're doing both as a team and as an individual in week 9. So if you have questions, please let me know. Thanks.